Angel?
If I catch it, I said free.
Okay, will you catch it, Mom? Very gentle.
How can you catch it? You don't want to kill it. Oh, don't try to catch it, it might kill it right now.
Good go. Oh, you poor little angel.
Look how fast they flop their wings.
Honey. You like honey?
It's stressed out and think it'll go for honey. Do you?
I don't know, but it's so cute. Aww. Can I grab it?
Honey, I don't know if you can. Let me see if I can encourage it to go that way. Do we have...
Oh, it's rested for a second.
Try to encourage it to go that way.
Come on. Hey, baby boy. Hey, Smokey.
Don't let Smokey get it, Brett.
Mom.
Go on. Oh,
There you go.
there you go.
Bye, birdie.